Rusia mengklaim menghancurkan pangkalan bahan bakar Ukraina di Kalinovka dekat Kiev. Juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konashenkov menyebut ini adalah pangkalan bahan bakar penyuplai peralatan militer Ukraina yang tersisa. Pangkalan ini melayani bahan bakar untuk kendaraan angkatan bersenjata Ukraina di Kiev, ibu kota Ukraina. Pada malam hari tanggal 24 Maret, rudal jelajah berbasis laut presisi tinggi kaliber menghantam pangkalan bahan bakar di Kalinovka dekat Kiev. Pangkalan bahan bakar terbesar yang tersisa dari angkatan bersenjata Ukraina dihancurkan. Pangkalan ini memasok bahan bakar ke unit militer di ibu kota negara itu, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur Jumat 25 Maret petang ini.
The grouping of troops of the Russian armed forces advanced another 4 kilometers overnight and captured Batmanka, Mikhailovka, Krasny Partizan, Stavki and Troitska, currently developing an offensive against units of the 25th Airborne Brigade of the Ukrainian armed forces. In the evening of March 24, caliber high-precision and sea-based cruise missiles struck a fuel base in Kalinovka, near Kiev. The largest remaining fuel base of the armed forces of Ukraine was destroyed. This base supplied military units in the central part of the country with fuel. The group of night hunters, consisting of Ka-52 and Mi-28 and helicopters, destroyed 24 pieces of military equipment, including 7 tanks, 5 infantry fighting vehicles, and 3 armored personnel carriers during night strikes. Operational, tactical, and army aviation hit 51 military assets of the Ukrainian armed forces. Among them, 2 command posts, 3 multiple launch rocket systems, 2 Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile systems, and 1 radar station for target illumination and targeting of S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Dnipropetrovsk, 3 D-30 artillery mounts, 2 missile and artillery weapons depots, as well as 26 areas of military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means shot down 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles in the air over Baromlya, Borshchevaya, Oleshnya and Usoki. In total, 261 unmanned aerial vehicles, 204 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1,587 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 163 multiple launch rocket systems, 636 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,397 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.